Hi, I'm Jackie and I'm from the University of Reading Career Centre. I'm here to show you how you can access our virtual built environment fair, which is taking place the 9th to the 11th of November. The first 2 days, the 9th and the 10th of November, will consist of employer webinars, and the 11th of November will consist of employer one-to-one chats, which I will explain to you. The first thing you need to do is download the Career Fair Plus app. There is a desktop version, and I will record a separate video to explain how to use that. So for the app version, if you download the app and then search for Reading, and once you've selected Reading, you can select Built Environment Fair. The first thing you come to is Event Info. You'll see on the right-hand side a More button, which you can press to reveal more information. You can add it to your calendar, and you can also contact the event organisers if you need any assistance. The next tab along is Employers. Here you will see that all of our employers are listed, and they all have a blue Employer one-to-one chat button, which I will explain as we look at employers. Let's have a look at ISG. So each profile is laid out in the same way. We have 12 of our employers running webinars, and there are 4 that are only running the one-to-one chats. So please do check the information on their profile. You'll then see that there's a link to book onto a webinar with this employer. Please do book because this gives us an indication of who to expect on the day. Brief overview of the company, and then the details of what they're looking for, recruiting to. You'll also see that there is an email for accessibility at the bottom. So if you have any problems accessing telephone appointments or video appointments due to a disability, you can contact them via this email. Now let's go back to the top and you'll see there's a blue Book Employer One-to-One Chats button. If I click there, you will see that appointments don't open until the 2nd of November, and I'm recording on the 23rd of October, so I've got a little wait yet, but I can see what appointment slots are available with ISG here. You'll see that they have some additional prerequisites that may apply, so that means that they might want students with particular degree level or are looking for particular things. So you'll see their prerequisites there are degree level, year of study, and opportunity type. So they have graduate and internship and vacation schemes. Now, what I can do before the 2nd of November is to set up my profile, which will mean then I will be able to book appointments. So if you go to the next one along, Employer One-to-One Chats, this is where I'll see all of my appointments once I've booked them. But at the top right-hand side, there is a button Profile. Now, the first time you press this, you will need to create a profile, but I've already done so. But I can show you how you might do so by clicking on Edit. So it's really important that you have a valid telephone number in here for your one-to-one chats. Some employers will be running video chats, but some will be running telephone ones, and they call you. So if you have not put in an accurate telephone number, they won't be able to reach you. You'll then see that you can add discipline here. The best option probably for the majority of people participating in this fair is going to be the built environment, architecture and construction. So select that one. You can then choose your degree level, what year you're in, and what opportunity types you are looking for. So are you looking for placements, graduate roles, courses, or a whole range of things that you might be looking for? Select as many as apply. Make sure also you've put an accurate email address, ideally your University of Reading email address. That's not necessarily the one you joined the app with. That will be your account email, which can be different. And save that, and then you're ready to appointments. The other tabs that you can look at, the next one along is just an advert for appointments with careers advisors, which are open to you throughout the year. The next tab along, and if you're on a mobile device, this may be in the More section, is the live webinars. So all of those webinars that are listed on the employer profiles are also listed here in chronological order, should you wish to see all of them. The next one along is announcements. We haven't made any yet, but I recommend accepting notifications when you join the app. These will only come from the University of Reading and will be important to keep you updated on the fair that you are interested in. It will also link to our Twitter, so you can check in there to keep up to date with things about the fair. The next one along, which again will probably appear in more if you're on a mobile phone, is the Career Fair 101 section. In here, you will find some helpful information to help you prepare for talking to employers, some information about the construction industry and guides from careers, and also any videos that employers have added to their profile, we will also add in here for you to watch. So I'll just show you what one of these looks like. Let's have a look at who will you meet. And there's just some brief information there to help you. Some things like the subject guide are also available on our website, www.reading.ac.uk/careers. And the last button, the More button. Here, you might want to check up for updates, maybe when you get closer to the fair in case there's been any amendments or changes. And if you're interested in any future events, this is where you can also change to select a different event. So I think that is everything you probably need to know in order to participate in our fair. But if you have any questions, you'll also find in Career Fair 101 assistance during the event. And you'll find we'll have a hotline running the 9th to the 11th of November, or you can email us and we'll be checking that throughout the day. So best of luck meeting with employers, and I hope you make the most of this unique opportunity.